Starting September 1st, Google is taking control of your ad account. No vote and no opt-out. Two specific account features are being automatically converted to Google's AI system, whether every advertiser is ready or not. It's called AI Max, and this fall, it stops being optional and becomes the new default for everyone. Campaign-level broad match and automatically created assets, the two features being replaced, are both folded straight into AI Max. Since August 3rd, Google has already blocked advertisers from creating the old versions of these features. The migration itself rolls out across the entire month of September, quietly, account by account. For years, marketers chose the targeting themselves. Starting now, that decision quietly shifts to the algorithm. Ad copy gets rewritten automatically now. Nobody on the team has to touch a single setting. And targeting no longer stops at your keyword list, it expands straight into a user's actual intent. So here's the real question underneath all of this. Is any of it actually better for advertisers? Google's own numbers say advertisers using the new system see about 7% more conversions on average. But independent testing across 250 real advertiser accounts found something very different, a 35% drop in ROAS. That's a 42-point gap between what Google claims in its marketing and what advertisers are actually measuring. This year's PPC industry survey backs that gap up. 53% of advertisers say Google ads got noticeably harder to manage. And 62% say the platform now makes decisions on their accounts that they simply cannot override. Even the people running these campaigns every day admit they're not entirely sure what happens next. So let's break down exactly who actually gets hit hardest by this shift. Small businesses running lean, tightly managed budgets with absolutely no room for algorithmic surprises. Agencies managing dozens of client accounts at once, all shifting under the same new rules simultaneously. And ultimately, every single dollar of ad spend is now riding on an algorithm's own judgment call.
And right now, for every account still on the old system, the clock is already running out. Old reporting tools and scripts built on legacy account data may simply stop working altogether. So here's exactly what you can actually do before September 1st arrives. First, audit every account still running these two legacy features. Second, manually turn the legacy setting off yourself before Google does it for you. Third, save your current search terms report as a baseline. Fourth, if you switch to AI Max yourself, set every toggle deliberately. Dynamic search ads get a little more breathing room. That particular migration doesn't hit until February 2027. But make no mistake about the bigger picture here. The direction is set, and it isn't changing. As one industry report put it plainly, doing nothing is also a decision. It's just not going to be yours. September 1st. No opt-out, no vote. This is simply happening to every account, starting now. This is what's actually happening to digital marketing right now. Follow along, because the next deadline is already coming.